Are you ready to play? Let's go on a fun adventure with me. Let's learn together, one giggle at a time.
Let's see what happens when 5 little 19s come together. 95. When all 5 400s join forces, they create a super high 2000 block. 5 big 400s are here. What do they build when they stack? 2000. When all 5 400s join forces, they create a super high 2000 block. If we count 5 groups of 104, what do we get? 520. 104 added 5 times brings us to 520. Gather 5 blocks of 260. What number shines at the end? 1,300. Each 260 joins in, and together they become a proud 1,300. Can you add 5 blocks of 38 together? 190. 5 38s line up nicely, and ta-da, 190. What do 5 identical 70 blocks become? 350. 70 plus 75 times makes a bouncy 350. What if we stack 556 blocks one on top of another? 280. 556s stack high to reach 280. Try adding 5 36s. What do you see? 180. 36 repeated 5 times becomes a solid 180. How high can we go with 5 128 blocks? 640. Each 128 brings its strength, and together they form 640. 5 11s are marching in. What total do they bring? 55. 11 plus 11, again and again, makes 55. Let's add 5 number blocks 60. What do we get? 300. 60 stacked 5 times makes a strong 300 number block. How much is 5 96s added together? 480. 5 96s team up to build a neat 480. Let's build with 5 number blocks 28. What do they create? 140. 28 multiplied by 5 gives us a perfect 140. What happens when you bring together 580 blocks? 400. 80 repeated 5 times becomes a fantastic 400. Try adding 5 blocks of 12. What's the answer? 60? 12 again and again grows into 60. 5 number blocks 32 are ready to be counted. What's the sum? 160. 5 32s walking together make a happy 160. What happens when 5 blocks of 180 work together? 900. 180 times 5 builds a proud 900 block. Let's join hands with 545 blocks. What do we make? 225. 5 45s make a neat little rectangle called 225. What if we combine 5 540s? That's big math. 2,700. 5 gigantic 540s stretch all the way to 2,700. Now, how about 5 440 blocks? What number appears? 2,200. Each 440 joins in, and together they stack up to 2,200.